Right, probably one of our better campsites that we found. We didn't find it, we found it on the internet and booked it, so there's obviously some research involved. And I'm going to go outside and show you. Come out of my home, which looks like this. Got that there, and stuff over there. Oh, very nice. Boots outside. Steady cam. So, we have bikes as usual, helmets, under wraps, ready for the morning, straps, etc. One dead dunk. No, he's not really dead, he's not really in there, because if I kick it, which I just did, nothing, nobody says ouch. If he was dead it wouldn't matter. Bikes, draped, ready for action, like kind of clothes horses, still warm to the touch, good for drying clothes and things, etc. After a hard day's riding, look at that. And then, as we're in the wilderness, check that out. Those buggers have the best spot. There's a real fire. And then we have caravans, wood galore. Some sort of murdering shed, no doubt. We might have a look in there. It's a bit Blair Witch, this. Hang on. Oh, shame you can't see that. It's a snowplow or a tractor thing. Right. Wood. Trees, forest, wood. There you go. So I'm going to have a shower in a moment, because I'm sticky and I haven't showered for several days. And so it feels. I'm going to climb back in my abode then. Oh yeah, let's have a look at the evidence while we're at it. Look at this tyre. Oof. Ragging up nicely there. All those bends and corners, look. A little bit of chicken strip there. And an even tinier bit this side. And a bit of raggy there. Lovely. Bye.